I got 1,000 subscribers in 30 days to prove it's not luck. But the craziest part is that only 3 months later, I'm already closing in on 20,000. I did this using a simple strategy that most YouTubers are not talking about. And it's so powerful that you can use it on your channel to get 1,000 subscribers fast. It all comes down to what you do before you post your next video. Because new YouTubers only have a couple shots to get it right before the algorithm labels them as just another small channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to launch a brand new channel from scratch so that you can copy me and get your first 1,000 subscribers in as little as 30 days. All without getting lucky. So how did I do it? It comes down to a 3-step process that I use to launch new channels from zero. And if you literally just copy and paste it onto your channel, you're almost guaranteed to blow up. The first step is the hardest and most important. It's about your video's packaging. Packaging is simply your idea, title, and thumbnail combination. If YouTube was a pie, getting this right is the secret to 80% of the results. I guarantee you, YouTube is not about your editing, it's not about your scripting, and it's not even about your filming. The number one most important thing is coming up with ideas. The problem is that most small YouTubers aren't good at this yet. Most of them just look at their competitors, see what videos are doing well, and remake them. I mean, it makes sense. It's already a proven video in your niche. It's gone viral once. Why can't it go viral for you too? You put in hours scripting, editing, and bring great energy to when you're filming. And on the morning of posting, you are confident that you will get views. But the video flops. And now you're stuck wondering whether or not YouTube is really for you. Every big YouTuber's been there, and I guarantee you it doesn't have to be like that. When I posted my first video on this channel that got 22,000 views, I used a little known strategy called niche comparison theory to come up with the idea. I knew for a fact that this video would blow up because I analyzed it through basic economics. You've probably seen this graph at some point in your life. It analyzes the supply and demand in any market. And I'm about to show you how to use it to go consistently viral on any YouTube channel. Because all of the viral videos that you see on your homepage have one thing in common. They are right here on the graph. If your video has both high demand and low supply, for a fact, it will go viral. Because the only video that the viewer can watch on that topic is yours. And if you're coming up with ideas that have already gone viral in your niche, there is likely a huge supply of copycat videos, meaning that the demand is basically non-existent. But to find these high demand, low supply videos, you need to understand niche comparison theory. And once you do, you'll be able to make videos that get views like this, and this, that are guaranteed to blow up your channel. So you never have to guess about whether or not your next video will go viral. Niche comparison theory is where you find proven ideas in other niches and bring them back to your own where they haven't been made yet. For example, I make content in the YouTube growth niche. What is a niche with a similar audience that is also bigger than my niche? Social media growth. So what I can do is look for videos that did well in the social media growth niche and then bring them back to the YouTube growth niche. The key here is that both of these niches have the same audience, people who want to grow in social media. So because I'm taking a video that already has proven demand with my audience and applying it to a new niche where it's never been done before, it naturally has high demand and low supply. Another example would be this video that I made for my channel. I found this idea in the self-development niche and bring it back to the YouTube growth niche. But if I remade this video about life being a video game, it would have gotten no views. But because I brought it to a new niche with no competition, it did extremely well. You can also see it with videos like this, and this. And I have found 2 ways to find these ideas fast. The first way is literally just go to the YouTube homepage and look up similar channels. Then for those of you who want to take YouTube extra serious, there is a little known tool that I've been using to find better ideas faster. It's called oneof10.com, and no, I'm not sponsored. It shows you all of the outlier videos that are currently being uploaded on YouTube. They literally show you the exact videos that you need to make in order to go viral, because they show you only the videos that have proven views that you can take into your niche and blow up. I do have an affiliate link for them in the description. I genuinely use them every single day. You don't have to pay anything extra if you use that link. It just helps support the channel. And if you're trying to take YouTube seriously, I would 100% recommend them because it's leveled up my ideation game. Now that you've found some proven ideas, we need to make sure that they also have a proven title and thumbnail. Because without these 2 things being perfect, no matter how good your idea is, it will never see the light of day. But once you understand them, your video will take off and reach the audience it really deserves, so that you can hit 1,000 subscribers in the next 30 days and eventually make YouTube your full-time career. The title is easy. Simply copying the title from the proven video and making a slight change to apply it to your niche works 99% of the time. Just like this video where I recreated the title, but just changed it to be about YouTube. However, the thumbnail is where it gets a little bit harder. And this is one of the most important parts of packaging that cannot be overlooked. I see so many beginners making thumbnails that look like this, and it's such a shame because their content is really good. But most beginners overcomplicate their thumbnails way too much, and it leads to them waking up with no new subscribers. But the top YouTubers use something called the 3-element rule. And when you apply this framework, your thumbnails will turn from this to this, and it's likely much easier than you think. Just like this thumbnail by Mr. Beast, you should only have 3 things that all tie together to raise a question in the viewer's mind. 1, 2, 3. Limiting your thumbnails to only 3 elements will make them much easier to understand. But you also need a reason for the viewer to click. This comes through something called a curiosity gap. Mr. Beast is the best example of this. When I see this thumbnail, all I can think is what is going to happen when the train falls in the pit. Or this one by Iman Gaji. How can I go from $0 to $100,000? Before you post your next video, just ask yourself, what question does my thumbnail raise? And once you have a good answer, you'll be ready to post and blow up your channel. But packaging is still only 80% of your YouTube success. If you want to be in the top 1% of YouTube and grow fast, you need to make sure that the other 20% is also perfect. And luckily for you, I spent the last 6 months building a completely free YouTube course with over 12 hours of content. And it shows you step by step how to go from 0 all the way to 100,000 subscribers this year. But the craziest part is that it is better than most YouTube's paid programs, completely for free. We go over ideation, scripting, editing, and everything that you need to know to grow your channel in 2024. I have genuinely poured my heart, my soul, and my bank account into making this course for you. So watch this video where I show you how to get access, what you'll learn, and how to grow fast on any channel on YouTube. Thanks, and have a great day.